Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Jain and in this video we're gonna see Newton divided difference in our programming language. Here's the formula for Newton's divided difference, that is fx equals to fx naught plus fx1 minus x0 bracket में x minus x naught plus fx2 comma x1 comma x0 bracket x minus x naught x minus x1 and so on. You can see these values can be derived from the difference table, that is fx comma x1 comma x naught is equals to fx1 minus fx0 divided by fx0 comma fx1, and so this value can be derived and it can be stored in the difference table and can be retrieved from them. So here's a small program that implements Newton's divided difference formula. Here it is just we have seen Newton forward and backward difference, just same as that we have just taken input of n, that is the total number of variables or the total number of data that would be tabulated in the table. X is the x variables that are tabulated and y is the y variable that is to be fed into the table. Then we have taken the input in x and y vectors from the user, and we have defined the matrix A accordingly. Then we have used a double loop, that is j from 1 to n minus 1 and I from 1 to n minus j, such that if j equals to 1, that is if it is first variable or the first variable or the first line of the difference table, then a of I comma j is equals to y I plus j minus yi, that is the adjacent variable minus the other adjacent variable, divided by x of I plus 1 minus x of I. This is the whole program. This is section of program is used to generate the difference table according to the question given or according to the formula. Else a of I comma j is equals to a of I plus 1 comma j minus 1 minus a of I comma j minus 1 divided by x of I plus j minus x of I. This is whole according to the Newton divided difference formula. So then NO is the number that we have taken from the user at which we have to find the value or the value of y at which the x variable is given. Then sum is equals to y plus 1, that is first variable is stored in the sum in the according to the divided difference formula. Then for loop is been initiated from 1 to n minus 1 and product is initialized by 1. Then for loop from j to 1 to I, if product is equals to product into number minus x of j, and sum is equals to sum plus product into a of 1 comma I, and the subsequently the output is printed on the screen. So, now we have executed this program. So first we entered the value of n, that is n equals to 5. Then we have entered the subsequent value of x and y, that it will 2.0, 0.577 and 2.1 comma something, 2.0 comma 2.1 comma 0.567, 2.2 comma 556, 2.3 comma 540, 2.4 comma 520 and so on. Then we have entered the value at which we have to find the value of y, that is let it be 2.15. so our answer comes to be 0.577, which is in between the interval of 2.1 and 2.2. so here's the program that implements Newton divided difference formula in our programming language. Thank you.